In Kenya, the police crackdown on last week's protests against gender-based violence in the country continues to be called into question. At least 10 people were arrested during rallies calling for the recognition of feminicide as being a national crisis. Amongst those detained was a top human rights activist. Our Bastien Renouy tells us more.
Irungu Yukton and 4 other people were required to appear in court this Monday morning. In the end, the court did not charge them and they were able to walk free out of the building. Last week, a demonstration was supposed to be organized against femicide in Kenya, but even before the demonstration started, the police was tear-gassing demonstrators and arrested a dozen people. Some of them even had to pay a bond to leave a police station. It's not the first time in recent months that the police is preventing a demonstration in Nairobi, and it's a worrying trend according to Amnesty International.
I think Kenyans are at a time when they are beginning to wonder whether I guess the culture of constitutionalism is being replaced with authoritarianism. And it's important that all actors, human rights organizations, members of the public, the National Police Service, the executive and the parliament, that we guard the constitutional framework that we have, the rule of law that prevails, and not allow it to be replaced by thuggery and parallel policing systems.
According to human rights organizations, police brutality has been increasing here in Kenya during the past months. Of course, policemen are shooting tear gas and sometimes arresting people like last week, but they also sometimes shoot live ammunition and abduct people, according to several organizations. This trend follows the demonstration that was organized on the 25th of June, during which protesters stormed the Kenyan parliament. Since then, it seems that the police does not want to let any demonstration to occur here in Nairobi. Irungu Yukton, the executive director of Amnesty International, received public apologies from several members of the police and of the government, but still Amnesty International is asking for an official investigation into the officers who were in charge on that day.